Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the tally and frequency distribution table. Start by listing class intervals and placing one tally for each data point. Group tallies in sets of 5 to speed counting and reduce mistakes. Convert tallies to frequency by counting each set and adding leftover marks. Double-check class boundaries and totals to ensure the grand total matches the number of observations. Begin by inspecting the minimum and maximum values to set sensible class intervals. Decide an interval width that yields about 5 to 15 classes for clarity. Write each class with clear lower and upper limits and ensure no overlap or gaps exist. Place each data point into its class and mark a tally for that observation. Keep intervals consistent and adjust if many empty or overloaded classes appear. After marking tallies, convert groups of 5 into numerical frequencies by counting each crossed group as 5. Sum all class frequencies to compute the grand total and confirm it matches your data count. If totals differ, recheck misplaced data points or overlapping intervals. Use a second quick recount or peer review to catch errors. Proper checking prevents incorrect conclusions from your frequency distribution table.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.